Turmeric, the golden spice, is not just for cooking, it's a skincare powerhouse. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties, this ancient root can transform your complexion. A simple DIY mask of turmeric, honey, and yogurt can brighten your skin and reduce blemishes. Struggling with acne? Try mixing turmeric with apple cider vinegar for a natural astringent effect. For irritated skin, blend turmeric with soothing aloe vera gel. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate turmeric into your routine and watch your skin glow. Just be cautious of its vibrant color. Patch test first to avoid any surprises.
Use serums and moisturizers that offer a convenient way to enjoy its benefits. For a more holistic approach, consider adding a pinch of turmeric to your diet, as its internal consumption can also contribute to overall skin health. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to skincare. Regular use of turmeric, whether topically or internally, will yield the best results. Before applying any turmeric mask, it's advisable to do a patch test on a small area of your skin to ensure no allergic reaction occurs. Also, be mindful that turmeric can temporarily stain your skin or clothes due to its vibrant yellow pigment. Using a small amount and rinsing thoroughly can help minimize this. Embrace the golden touch of turmeric and unlock the secret to naturally glowing, healthy skin. Your journey to radiance begins now.
All right, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like, share, and leave a comment. And don't forget to subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.